Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my class. So again, and today you know that the topic, just before writing the subject, second paper, and the topic, question pattern of English second paper. That is also 100 marks. It's also 100 marks. As I told you in class, previous class about the question pattern of English first paper. Now we are going to discuss about the question pattern of English second paper. English second paper also based on the grammar and the writing part. That means composition. Another one is what? Composition. So these two are most important. So let's see what will be the question pattern exactly. Whatever you need, just keep ready as I told you before. It's important and total full pay attention please. So number one, part A, grammar. There are two parts of divided. Part A, grammar. That is 60 marks. Now is 60 marks. So the most and the easiest number one is what? Article. Articles. You are very habitual. Fill with article. Fill with article. And number two, fill with preposition. Fill with preposition. And just before you know that I sent in WhatsApp group about total question. But just we are discussing and try to repeat it. Okay. And number three, phrase. Number three, phrase. Phrase and words given in the box. Phrase, it's a given in the box. That means from this box, by reading the passage, the suitable word we have to use in here. Okay, and number four, clause. Clauses. That means completing sentence. Completing sentence we read in several times. In class 10 and 9 we did it. So that is what? Another clause. Again, number 5 will be correct form. The correct form of verb. Number 5 will be what? Correct form of verb. Use correct form of verb. Then number 6, transformation. Transformation. The sentence will be given like it will be in affirmative, you have to do negative. It will be in positive, you have to do comparative, active to passive. Okay, as a direct. And then number 7, narration. Number 7 will be what? Narration. Narration. Direct and indirect narration is specific. And number 8, these are very familiar to you. Number 3 maybe it is a new here. And number 8 is unknown. Unclear pronoun reference. Pronoun reference. Okay, unclear pronoun reference. That means what? There will be passage in given the pronoun. You have to write in the class. Suppose it's the easiest way to know that Faizul is a good boy. Faizul sits in the class, first bench. Faizul listens to class. His teachers regularly. That is not in several times to use Faizul. That's why we just use the right pronoun, whatever will be here. Okay. Then number 9, modifiers. Number 1 will be modifiers. post modifier, pre-modifier and post modifier. Here is 2. When we will go to the details, inshallah we will discuss. And another one is what? Number 10. That is also a new for intermediate, so it is important. And number connectors. Number 10, connectors. In class 10 we are habituated to do, so it's not a new for us. Connectors. Number 11, synonym antonym or synonym. Antonym and synonym was antonym and synonym opposite, and the word will be same but the different meaning sometimes, so you have to just do it. So definitely that one is like opposite word, similar word, who's have the vast knowledge, we can do it easily. And number 12, punctuation, number 12, punctuation. Use punctuation, and that is the relating in dialogue. In dialogue pattern we have to do it. In dialogue pattern we have to do it. Okay. So I am going to repeat it again. Number 1 for part A. For part A, grammar part, it will be 60 marks for English second paper. Okay. Number 1 article, A and the, preposition, phrase, clause, type from the verb, transformation, narration, unclear pronoun reference, modifiers, connectors, antonyms, synonyms, and punctuation. So that's all are 12 items. How many? 12 items are related with part A, grammar. Now 60 marks. Now another 40 marks. Part B. Part B is what? Composition. Composition, 40 marks. So 12, from 1 to 12 we have done. Now 13 number, and the 13 number will be what? Write an application. Write an application. Write an application. And you know very well, it is habitual to do it. And number 14 is it's the new. Suppose something is happening and you have to report by the daily newspaper. So report writing. Yeah, report. Report writing. Report writing. Report on accident, maybe it's a very known to us that accidental report, we have to pay something. Reporter who reports, they are called. Okay, number 15, paragraph. 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 And number 16, short composition. So that is the part of B, composition. Okay. So 13, 14, 15 and 16. So part B, composition will be what? Write an application, report writing, paragraph and short composition. So English first paper and English second paper, that's the two importance of the question pattern. So as I told, all things you have to read this and try to think, and then we individually will catch a topic, and on it we will practice, and whatever we need for the rules we have to provide it. So no more today. I hope you could understand, and if you have any problem, so must contact in WhatsApp group as I given in here. And thank you very much, and must stay safe at home, and whatever you need for the pandemic to pass, use that one. Okay, so no more. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Good luck. Wish you all the best.